Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have discussed about F put C. That is how to put the characters one by one to the file, character by character. Well, in today's video, we will learn how to get that character that what we have stored in the file to the program. So inside the file, we will have the content and we need to get that content from the file to program character by character using fgetc. So we will see this with the complete program and also with the execution. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. So here we will discuss about fgetc. Means we need to get the data character by character from the file. So we get the data character by character from the file to the program. So how we can get the data from the file to the program? Let us see with a complete example program. Here we go with a complete program of fgetc. That is how to get the data character by character from the file to the program and how to print that to the output screen, to the monitor, that is console. We need to get the data from the file. So in the previous program, we saw how fputc can put the data character by character into the file. Just assume fputc has put these many characters into the file. Now using fgetc, we are getting that character from the file to the program. So that complete data that what we wrote using fputc. Now we are fetching that data character by character using this fgetc to the program. So once we get that character, we can straight away put that onto the console, that is to the output screen. So let us see how to do this now. So we have the file f8.txt already filled with these data. Just assume we have written that using fputc. Now we need to get that using fgetc. So we have a file pointer by name fp and a character variable ch. So I am opening the file f8.txt and just observe here the mode is R. R represents read mode. So I need to read the data from the file f8.txt and the address of that will be stored in the file pointer fp. So fopen function will open that file in the read mode. So it is existing file which is being opened now in the read mode. So some data is filled there. I need to open that in the read mode. I need to read that content. So file pointer fp will be pointing to the address of this file. Now I need to check whether this file pointer is actually pointing to that location or not. If it is not pointing to any file address, means it will be null. If it is null, I should get an error message saying that unable to open the file. Then I need to exit from the program. So fp is pointing to 100. Is it equal to null? No. Condition not satisfied. So this block will not be executed. Means to say it is not pointing to null. It is pointing to the address of the file f8.txt. Now I need to get the data from the file till I encounter end of file. When I reach the end of the file, so here you will have EOF, end of file. So once the end of file is reached, it means to say there is nothing in the file, everything we have fetched. So the loop starts like this, not of file end of file of the pointer fp. So this file pointer fp is pointing to f8.txt, not of the file end of file. Means is it not to the end of file? So initially the pointer will be here. Yes, it is not to the end of file. Condition true. Not of the file end of file. Yes, it is not to the end of file. Condition true. get inside fgetc from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp and store that to ch. So we have the variable ch. Into this variable, I am going to get the first character from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So fp is pointing to this file. I am going to get the first character, that is h. Then I say printf that character onto the console, that what ch is holding. So in my output screen, I will be printing this character h. Then again loop back. Check not of file end of file by file pointer. Yes, file pointer is not to the end of file. Again, fetch that next character. So this file getc has a special feature that it can advance the pointer by itself. So it will go to the next position here. So initially it was here. It is not pointing to end of file. Now it is pointing to I. Then yes, not to the file end of file. Then get that character pointed to by the file pointer fp and store that to ch. Now ch is getting the next character I. Print that character, that what I have in ch. So I am going to print I. Then there is a space, even that space will be printed. Then I have y, a, s, h, o, d, a. So once I reach to the end of file, then again get back to the loop, not to the file end of file, pointer will be here. Pointer will be pointing to end of file. So it will be pointing to end of file. Is it not to the file end of file? Is file pointer not to the file end of file? No, it is to the end of file. Loop condition not satisfied. Come out of the loop, close the file pointer. So this is how we are going to get the character from the file to the program. So character by character I am going to get from the file, and as I get the character I am printing that onto the console. So hope you have understood with this. Let us see the execution of this program. So here we go with the complete program to understand fgetc, that is how to get the character by character data from the file. So as usual we say the file pointer fp, so then we say a character variable ch, then we are trying to open the file f8.txt and just observe it is read mode, so we are reading the data from the file. So initially we need to check the file pointer status. If it is pointing to null, means the file is not being opened. So I can just get a message unable to open the file and exit from the program. If not, then I'll come to the while loop. I'll say while not of file end of file. Means if it is not to the end of file pointed to by the file pointer fp, then fgetc get character by character from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp and store that to ch. Then print that onto the console. Loop back. So this loop will run till it reaches the end of file. So when it reaches the end of file, the loop terminates and I'm going to close the file. So in the file f8.txt, let me open that file f8.txt. I have these contents already written. Okay. So now let us get that through fgetc. So save this program, run the program. See, you got the contents. Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Logic Flow. So this is how I can get the data from the file character by character using fgetc. So hope you have understood with fgetc. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.